What if I told you that you could make tens of thousands of dollars a month from YouTube, but without ever showing your face or even picking up a camera? Well, that's the pretty wild promise we're digging into today. We're going to break down a formula for creating fully automated AI-driven YouTube channels and see exactly what the source material claims is possible.
So it all starts with this one number, $38,881. According to the source, that's the monthly income from a single one of these faceless channels. It's a staggering number, right? And it really makes you wonder, how on earth is that even possible? And yeah, here's the real kicker. This isn't about being some big YouTube personality. The source material claims this kind of income is being made with absolutely zero filming, zero time on camera. The entire business model is built around one thing: artificial intelligence. All right, so first things first, let's unpack this promise. What's the core claim here? And what kind of proof does the source offer to actually back it up? This is really the foundation of the whole strategy.
So the whole idea, the big claim, is that we're seeing this new kind of YouTube creator emerge. Not someone who's an on-camera personality, but more like a producer. Someone who uses AI tools to generate all the content, aiming for serious ad revenue and sponsorships, all without ever stepping in front of a lens.
And this is the evidence the source points to. I mean, just look at these numbers. This channel, Temporal Nature, is supposedly pulling in 10 grand a month with only 6 videos. Plainly Curious is at 13,000 with just 21. The argument is pretty clear. It's not about how much you post, it's about making the right kind of content. So you're probably asking the big question, how is this stuff actually made? Well, let's dive into the AI blueprint. We're going to walk through the exact step-by-step process that's outlined in the source material.
Okay, so the whole process really boils down to just 4 steps, and they're all designed to be as automated as possible. You start with an idea, move to a logo, then the script, and you finish with the voiceover. Every single step is meant to be hands-off. Now get this, according to the source creator, a single free AI tool takes care of the first 3 steps. You just pick a niche, let's say personal finance or something, and it supposedly spits out channel names, a logo, and even a full video script for you.
And then for the final step, to really complete the package, that AI script gets plugged into a text-to-speech service, something like 11 Labs. The idea is to create a surprisingly human-like voiceover, which means the entire video is produced without a single person ever saying a word into a microphone.
But just creating AI content is only half the battle. The real secret sauce, according to the source, is how you monetize it. The strategy isn't just about getting more views, it's about getting more valuable views.
And it all comes down to this idea they call RPV, or revenue per view. The whole point is to stop chasing millions of random views and to start attracting the right kind of views, the ones that advertisers and sponsors are willing to pay top dollar for.
Right, and this is where it gets really interesting. YouTube ad revenue, that's just the appetizer. The main course, according to this whole strategy, is landing those big brand deals. The content is specifically engineered to be a magnet for companies, even for channels that have smaller audiences.
And of course, there's a tool for that too. The source talks about this other tool that automates the whole sponsor hunt. You pick a high-value niche, like personal finance, and it reportedly generates a list of companies to pitch and even gives you an email template to send them.
But it's not just about the software. The final, and maybe most important piece of this whole puzzle is the ecosystem built around it all. The source material puts a huge emphasis on a community that provides support, training, and maybe most importantly, social proof.
So to show this system works, they throw out a bunch of testimonials. First up, you've got David, who apparently got his channel monetized in just 2 weeks. 2 weeks!
And then bam, they hit you with Owen, who's supposedly raking in $21,000 every single month. These examples are held up as proof that this isn't a one-off thing, it's a repeatable formula. But this next number is maybe the most telling one of all, $4,200. Now why is that a big deal? Well, according to the source, that's what a member with only 6,000 subscribers, just 6,000, charged for a single brand deal. That's the RPV strategy in action. Small audience, but super high value. So this community, it's really pitched as the whole shebang. We're talking more than 60 hours of training videos, one-on-one coaching calls, monthly challenges where you can earn cash, and even lists of new high-potential niches to go after. It's designed to be a complete roadmap. So when you step back and look at the whole thing, the model they're presenting is really a 2-part system.
You've got the AI tools to automate the work, and then you have this paid community to provide the strategy and support to actually make it happen. And all of this really leaves us with a massive question. As AI continues to automate more and more of the content creation process, what does it even mean to be a creator anymore? Is it about the performance, or is it all just about the strategy? It really makes you think.